Hey guys, it's Gayle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am gonna share to you guys how I made this video or how I transformed myself into an animated one. So yes, by just using one application or yes, isang application lang gagamitin natin, may transform na natin yung sarili natin into an animated one or animated effect. I think these videos are trending on TikTok. Yes, TikTok. Okay, so first things first, open mo yung application, or if you haven't downloaded it yet, for Android users, I will link it down below para click mo na lang yung link and diretso ka na sa pagda-download. And kapag iOS user ka din, I will link it down below also my video or my tutorial on how to download it to your iOS devices. Okay, so first, open natin yung application niya and then click the home button and then meron kang makikita dito mga pagpipilian like kung anong gusto mong music ng i-edit mong video, marami doon. And then you can just browse there whatever you want. And then kapag tapos ka nang pumili ng effect or music or theme ng i-edit mong video, click mo lang yung red button doon sa baba. Ito, and then pili ka ng mga pictures mo na gusto mong i-edit. Etong theme na napili ko is dapat 6 pictures or 4 pictures or 5, I don't know, 5 pictures yung lalagay kong pictures ko. So yes, 5 pictures. Click mo lang yung mga pictures na gusto mong i-edit. Ma-edit pala. And then kapag tapos mo na select yung mga pictures na i-edit mo, click mo lang yung red button and then wait mo na mag-load. And then that's it. Pag na-click mo na yun, direct na ma-edit yung mga pictures mo into animated one. So easy, di ba? Kapag tapos nang na-edit yun, click mo lang yung red button dun sa upper right corner and then click mo yung red button na magpa-pop up doon. And then wait mo lang na ma-save yung video na na-edit mo. There you go! Tapos na yung video mo. You can now post it to your TikTok accounts or like social media accounts or whatsoever. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. I hope na may natutunan kayo kahit konti man lang, and I hope na natulungan kayo para ma-edit nyo yung gusto nyong video din na may post sa TikTok. So yes, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye!